Hi friends, today let's make an easy cup candle, and the materials needed are crayons, eggshell, thread, some waste candles, lighter and a bowl. So let's start. Take one of your candle, light it up, take a glass, take any of your crayon, put it in, take a waste candle, break it like this and put it. Wait some time for this candle and the crayon to melt. Here, when you would hear a sound, that time you can understand it started melting. Here I am taking a stitching thread. Next, let's fold our thread. Now, take one of your eggshell. Now put this thread inside and just keep the thread like this. Next, take your melted wax, pour it. Now, let's keep it in the refrigerator for this to settle down. See, as you can see, the candle is dried and I kept it in the refrigerator for 5 or 6 minutes. Let's open the eggshell and take the candle out. And now one of our candle is ready. Let's do the same to the other one. Let's test keeping it in water.